I built this little cabinet or shelving unit about 4 or 5 years ago for my wife, and as you can see, it holds quite a bit of weight. It holds a medium-sized bandsaw, little drill press, and other items, and yet there's absolutely no sway in the top. And the reason for that is because of a little trick that I learned a long time ago, from a woodworker friend of mine. When I built the shelves, I put these 2x4s and I lined them up just right so that they intersected with each of the shelving pieces going across. And then up here, because my wife sometimes wanted to put larger pieces of wood in here and she wouldn't be able to just get it in through this one opening, I put these in. And as long as they are lined up with the other piece of 2x4, the same amount of strength is still provided to this top, because the weight distribution comes from down here, comes up through, it supports this board, and then it comes up here and supports this, because all of the weight is evenly distributed up and down that 2x4. It's just a little trick that in your building you may consider, especially if you have to put in some areas where they might need to put in larger pieces of wood from time to time, or whatever the large thing is. She uses it for scraps and other assorted items. But I just thought I'd pass this along to you. I think it's a really good little trick, and if you like it, please subscribe. Leave your comments. If you have any suggestions, leave those too. We can have a little discussion going on here. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.